everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I personally use dental floss to floss my permanent retainer on the bottom row of my teeth. This is also known as a lingual wire. I had this installed about 25 years ago after I had braces. It's permanent and it's important to floss or food can get back there causing bad breath. Eventually, if the food rots and decays, or it can give you cavities, things like that. But getting the floss between your teeth and behind the retainer is a little tricky, but I have a cool little hack, a little tip that I use a little tweezers with, and it just allows me to get the dental floss in there really quick. So let's jump right into the tutorial. All right, the first thing I do is grab my dental floss. I really recommend Glide. I'll put a link below if you want to purchase some on Amazon, but I find this stuff really good. It doesn't, come apart and fray as you're doing your flossing your teeth like a lot of other dental flosses, but you want to get yourself a generous amount of floss like you would when you're flossing your teeth normally. And what I do is get the floss on one end of the teeth, wrap it around the other side, and pull it down. Like so. Now I wanted to mention standing in front of a mirror makes this a lot easier, but stand in front of your mirror, grab yourself your tweezers, and what you're gonna do is grab the dental floss behind your teeth where you pulled it down and then pull one end all the way through. So now we have the dental floss all the way through, and you can work on both sides of the gums as you normally would. Once you're done with one side, you can just lift up the floss and move to the next one. And then go down. On to the next. And so on. So I hope you found this quick video informative. Again, it's really nice to use some tweezers. You can buy those store-bought things that allow you to attach the dental floss and fish it through, and that also works, but those cost money and you can reuse them, but it's kind of gross to reuse them. So I just use some tweezers, pull it on through. So anyways, if you found this video informative, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.